So let's start with the chai. I like to use a nice blend like this. Just take some of that and put it in one of these things. A pinch of coconut sugar, just to take the edge off. So I'm going to fill this shot glass up with 30 ml. And then I'll just leave that to infuse while I steam milk. That's going to replicate our espresso. Add a bit of cinnamon to that. Delicious. Okay, so next up we've got the turmeric latte, and it's sweetened with stevia, so I don't need to add any sugar. Just mix that until it's combined, and then that's going to replace our espresso. It's got a kick to it. Next up we've got matcha. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it definitely tastes a lot more mellow as a latte. I'm gonna add a pinch of sugar to it. You know the drill by now, 30 ml hot water. That's nice. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use some Dutch cocoa and some coconut sugar. You can use raw cacao, that's what I usually use, but I'm currently out of it. Either way, it's going to be more healthy than using a store-bought pre-formulated chocolate mix. I'm going to feed it through this sieve so that it doesn't clump up. I'm going to add that to some hot water, 30 milliliters again. And that's going to be a chocolate shot in which we're going to add our milk to. Exquisite. You can also use the same method with iced lattes. Obviously you just add the shot last on top of the iced milk.